Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my VBR Mathematics Learning channel. So in the last class, we were discussed about Karnataka TET exam 2025 related questions, mathematics questions according to the syllabus. So in that, we discussed five questions. These five questions we already discussed. Question 2, 3, and 5. So what is the next question we will see? So here question number 3 is wrong. Number 3, I have put it here. Just change it. Question number. I just changed question number 3 as 6 because we were discussed last class till question number 5. Till here we were discussed. So now question number 6. Which of the following numbers is a prime number? So they are given four options. In that you have to find out which one is the prime number among the four numbers. Okay. Option A is 517. Option B is 533. And option C is 559. And option D is 571. First, you should know the meaning of prime number and complex number. Here they were asked only the prime number. Prime number is nothing but which should have only two factors. That means the number should be divisible by 1 and itself. 1 ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಮೋರ್ ದನ್ ಟೂ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್. ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ divisible by other numbers also. Suppose for example you take 2. If I take 2, 2 is divisible by 1 and 2 only. So it is a prime number. If I take 4, 4 is divisible by 1, 2 and 4. Here which is having more than 2 factor. So this is called complex number. Here 4 is divisible by 1 and itself as well as by 2 also. So it is called as complex number. Okay. So among these four you have to identify. First you have to divide the number. You have to find out the factors for each. So 517. 517 is divisible by the factors. I'll write it here. You have to find out in the exam. So it is divisible by 11 as well as 533, not 533. Wait. The factors will get for 517 as 11. It is divisible by 11 as well as 1 as well as another number, that is 517. Here 533 is also divisible by other. It is having more than two factors. And 559 is also a complex number because it is having more than two factors. And 571, if you take 571, it is divisible by only and itself, only one and itself, so it is a prime number. So in these four options, so among these four numbers, option D is the correct answer because 571, it is a prime number. So another three are complex number. I already explained why it is prime and why those are complex numbers. I think all of you understood. So we'll go for next one. So question number 7. How many of the following numbers are divisible by 9? So here they are listed some numbers. You have to find out how many of the numbers are divisible by 9. So are divisible by 9, that means you should know the divisibility rule of 9. What is the divisibility of rule 9? Divisibility rule for 9. So that means you have to take the sum of the digits in the given number. Take the sum of the first number. I'll write it here. First is 1, 2, 3, 1231. Take the sum 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1, that is equals to 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 is 7. You are getting 7. 7, it is not a multiple of 9. So it is not divisible by 9. If it is, if the sum is the multiple of 9, sum ಏನಾದರೂ 9 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಸೊ ದ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 9 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. 7 is not divisible by 9, so that this number is not divisible by 9. So next one we will check out like that only. 2, 3, 6, 7. 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. So this sum is divisible by 9. 9 twos are 18. So thus this is divisible by 9. Okay. So next one, just to do the sum. 6 4 6 2. So 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 2. 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 6 16. 16 plus 2 18. Here 18 also divisible by 9. So this is also divisible by 9. Next 5 3 5 4. So take the sum of the digits. 5 3 5 4. 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. 5 plus 3 is 8 and 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 4 is 17. 17 is not divisible by 9. Okay, so 5354 is not divisible by 9. Next one is 7020. So next number is 7020. Take the sum. 7 plus 0 plus 2 plus 0. 7 plus 0 7. 7 plus 2 9. 9 plus 0 is 9. 9 is divisible by 9. 9 ones are 9. So this is also a, this number is also divisible by 9. So 1341, 1341. Take the sum of the digits. 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 you are getting. So 9 is a multiple of 9. So it is divisible by 9. That means the entire number 1341 is also divisible by 9. So how many numbers are divisible by 9 among these here now? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here what is the option? Option where is 4? 4 is in the option B. So 4 is here. 4 numbers are divisible by 9 among these numbers. Okay. So for 3 also same condition. Divisibility by 3 and 9 are, 9 are same, having same rule. Okay. So next question, question number 8. What is the smallest prime number? So already explained about the prime number. That means which is having only 100. So here they are given some numbers. All are prime only, but 0 is neither a complex nor a prime number. But 1, 2, 3, 2 and 3 both are prime numbers. Among these two, which one is the smallest prime number? You have to find out the smallest. Here 1 is not a prime number. Already told 1 and 0 are not belongs to prime and complex. So here among these two, 2 and 3, which is 2 is also having 1 and 2, only 2 factors, and 3 is also having 1 and 3, only 2 factors. These two are prime numbers. So here among these two, which one is the smallest? So from 3 and 2, smallest is 2. Very simple question. So the answer is option B. The smallest prime number, which is the only even prime number. Okay. So option B is the correct answer. So next one, question number 9. A number when divided by 143 leaves 31 as a remainder. What will be the remainder when the same number is divided by 13? First you understand the question, read the question twice. Here a number is divided by number we don't know. Right? They are given the condition. So according to that condition, we will write the equation. A number will be taken as here. N I will take. Okay. So number is divisible by 143. This number is divisible by 143. We'll get some quotient here. We don't know the quotient. And also here also we don't know. But the remainder they are given 31. When the number is divisible by 143, the quotient we don't know. So it leaves the remainder 31. What will be the remainder when the same number is the same number is divisible by 13? What will be the remainder? So this kind of question I already explained in the last video. So according to division algorithm method, we have to write the equation, that is A is equals to, so can we, division algorithm formula, A is equals to BQ plus R. So here A is what? The number, that is N. B is what here? 143. into q, we don't know, write it as it is, plus 30, remainder is 31. So this one can be written as, this equation can be written as, for our simplification I am writing here, n is equals to 13 into 11. So 13 11s, the factors of 143 I am writing here. 13 11s I will get 143 into q, you write as it is. Here 31 can be written as 13 into 2 plus 5, because they are given, the question is you have to find out the remainder when the same number is divided by 13. ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ 13 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ನಾನು 13 ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, n is equals to, ಇದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 13 ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, 13 ನ ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 11q ಪ್ಲಸ್ 11q 13 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, 2 ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೆ, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5. ಎರಡನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 13 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ 11q ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 5 ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ a is equals to bq ಪ್ಲಸ್ r. ಇಲ್ಲಿ b ಅಂದ್ರೆ 13 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 13 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಂತ ನಂಬರ್, ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ q ಇಸ್ ದ ಕೋಶಂಟ್, ಈ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಈ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಾವು, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಸ್ ಡಿವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಬೈ 13? 13 ಇಂದ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ರಿಮೈಂಡರ್ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಗಿವನ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ದ 5 is in D. So option D is the correct answer. It is very simple, but you should understand the question and write the division algorithm formula and simplify and get the answer. Okay, for these kind of questions. So we'll go for next one. Question number 10. What is the value of root 6 into root 27? What is the value of root 6 into? There are given 4 options. Option A is 9 root 3, option B is 2 root 2, and option C is 3 root 3, and option D is 9 root 2. So how to find out the value for this one? They are given the sign, that is multiplication sign. So I have to multiply both the numbers, that is I'll show how to calculate here. Root 6 into root 27. So this can be written as square root of 6 into 27, right? So this is a multiplication. The order and radicand are same, so we can multiply easily 6 into 27. So that is equals to, here write the factors of 6. 6 can be written as 2 3s. Write this into as it is. 27 can be written as 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. These are the factors of 27, and this is 2 3s are 6. So from this again we can write it here, 3 into 3, 3 square. So write 2 as it is into 3 square into 3 into 3, 3 square. So if you separate the square out, here square and square root get cancelled. 3 3s are 9. Or we can write, and show one more method if you get confused here. Three square, this is 3 square. Just to separate the square out, here root 2 into root 3 square into root 3 square. Square and square root get cancelled, square and square root get cancelled. 3 3s are 9 you will get. So here square root of 2 will be as it is, 3 3s are 9. So this can be written as 9 root 2. So where is 9 root 2 in the option? You see and put the tick mark. Okay. We got the value 9 root 2, that is in the option D. So this is the answer, but it's very simple. You should do the multiplication and simplify and get the answer. The next one, Question number 11. Which of these decimals is a rational number? So there are given four numbers here. In that you have to find out which one is the rational number. So option A is 3.415926 etc. It is continuing here. They are given in the bracket also. It is non-terminating and non-repeating. That means it will not end. After the decimal, the numbers will not end, and also the digits are not repeating. So next one it is 0.3333. It is non-terminating but repeating digit you are getting here. 3 is repeating. So option C is 5 and option D is root 5. So you should know the rational number definition. The rational number should be in the form of P by Q. The rational number should be in the form of P by Q, and also decimal expansion should not be non-terminating and non-repeating. Non-terminating non-terminating ಇರ್ಬೋದು, but it should be a repeating digits ಇರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದು ನಾನ್ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಇದು ನಾನ್ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಟರ್ಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನ್ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇರ್ರ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0.333 ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ನೀವು ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ರಿಪೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ repeating decimal as well as non-terminating. So with this one we can consider it as rational number. But pi is there. When you take the value of pi value, you'll get 3.142 like that. It will also you'll get non-terminating as well as non-repeating. 3.142 etc. I'll get. This is also non-terminating as well as non-repeating. So it is not a rational number, it is a irrational number. Okay, and root 5. Root 5 is also will get a non-terminating. When you take the decimal, when you take the value of root 5, you'll get non-terminating as well as non-repeating digits. So it is not a rational number. So rational number condition is that should be in the form of P by Q, as well as the decimal expansion should be non-terminating and repeating. So this is the answer, that is option B, 0.0333, which can be expressed in the form of P by Q also. So this can be expressed as 1 by 3. So which is in the form of P by Q. These we cannot express in the form of P by Q because we'll get a non-repeating decimal expansion. So it is a rational number, that is 0.333. It is very simple. You should know the definition and condition for rational and irrational numbers. So we'll go for next one. Okay, I'll stop today's class here. ಇನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಲೆಂತಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಮೋರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಬರೀರಿ. ನನ್ನ ಕೈಲಾದಷ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಆದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಚಾನಲಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ 90% ನಾನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ಅದು ಇದು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.